Alright, so it's 1:58 p.m. on Tuesday, November the 9th, and we're supposed to get this test going on at 2 p.m. About 1 minute away. Everybody has been told not to worry. It's just a test of the new emergency alert system. Nationwide presidential address to the people. So what I'm doing is gonna find a nice spot to park and see if I can hear this thing live on the radio. I don't have TV at work, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to go with the radio. As you can hear, listening to DC 101. Oh god, not this song. Alright, well I'm switching to 98 Rock. Even worse, but whatever. So, it should happen any second now. Let's see.
Is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in. The attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Still on 98 Rock.
WIYY HD1 Baltimore.
Alright, let's see if there's anybody that got freaked out. Well, looks like just a pretty standard day in Silver Spring to me. So, from what it seemed like, 100.3 didn't have the message. DC 101 shut off after about 10 seconds, and 98 Rock had the entire message. So, I'd say that's a pretty shitty first test, if you ask me. Alright, well, peace out.